Hey everyone, salut tout le monde. And I thought I'd talk about grass because I'm having issues with our front lawn. Here's a few pictures of it. The previous owner had put sod but had laid a blanket, like a black, I think it's to stop weeds, but it stopped the grass. Basically the grass never really took. So we are gonna fix that this summer. Fast forward 2 months. What does your grass have to do with Rejuveniqe oil? Great question. Well, let me tell you. So the state of my grass at the beginning of the summer is what your scalp and hair may look like if you're using products that have sulfates, harsh salt systems. Check your shampoo ingredients. You might have formaldehyde listed there. You might have butane in your dry shampoo. There's a ton of toxic chemicals like waxes, silicones that are coating your hair, that is suffocating the follicle and clogging up your pores, which means, like my grass, it makes it really hard for new hair to grow. It also makes it that some hair follicles are actually dead. They're just stuck in that pore that is filled with all that nasty stuff. So you have a ton of buildup in your hair that may look like it's super soft and shiny, but in fact, it's just a show. It's coated with plastic, basically, that you then cook on with hot tools. So Monat has none of that stuff. So what Monat does is that it removes that buildup, and the Rejuveniqe oil is amazing because it deep cleans. It goes into the pores, will remove all that stuff, and at the same time will give your hair the rich nutrition it needs. It's the oil is filled with omegas, vitamin A. There's so many different vitamins and amazing different oils. It's the smallest molecular oil out there that can penetrate the 3 layers of your hair. You can use it as a deep clean the night before you shower, which I'm showing you footage now. Woohoo! It's not my favorite shots because you'll see that my hair is super thin and I'm postpartum now, 5 months, so I am losing my hair from having given birth to a beautiful boy, and I am not worried because I know that Monat is growing everything back, super healthy, thicker, with more volume. So that's exactly what the oil does. It's going to go right into the root, give our hair follicles the nutrition it needs so that the bulb of the hair grows stronger, thicker, shinier, all in all, rejuvenating your hair. So that's what the oil does. Similar to my lawn prior, it makes it really hard for the hair to grow, which may be why you find you can never get it past a certain length, or why you are finding it dull and you're finding your hair is dry. It's all those awful chemicals as well as what we put in our hair. So hot tools, if you're using a curling iron without any heat protection, that's ultra damaging, as well as the sun. It's cooking our hair. Same thing, we may put sunscreen on our hair. Well, there's an ingredient in Monat that is a sunscreen for your follicles. So that's the amazing part of the Monat Rejuveniqe oil. So thanks for watching. This is Monat Mom. Enjoy your weekend and I will talk to you soon. Adios, amigos.